Do you know your heart could be under hidden stress right now? Most people don't notice it until something unusual happens. What if a simple 1-minute test could reveal how your body reacts to activity? This is not a medical diagnosis, but it's a practical way to observe your own body. Think of it as a fitness snapshot. Your heart rate isn't random. It's shaped by your age, your activity level, your stress, even your sleep. That's why two people can do the same workout but recover very differently. The fascinating part? Your recovery speed says a lot about how efficiently your body handles stress and exercise. Step-by-step guide. Step 1. Check resting pulse. Sit quietly. Find your pulse on your wrist or neck. Count for 15 seconds and multiply by 4. This is your resting heart rate. For many adults, it falls between 60 to 100 beats per minute, but athletes often have lower numbers. Step 2. Do 1 minute of intense activity. Next, get moving. You can jog in place, climb stairs, or do jumping jacks. Anything that gets your heart pumping. Just 1 minute is enough. Step 3. Check peak pulse. Now, immediately check your pulse. This is your peak pulse. Most people will see it climb above 120 beats per minute after effort. Step 4. Rest for 1 minute and check recovery pulse. Take a seat and rest for 1 minute. Then, measure again. This is your recovery pulse. The difference between your peak and recovery is the real insight. Step 5. Compare numbers. Subtract recovery from peak. The bigger the drop, the faster your heart calms down. For example, if your resting heart rate before exercise, 75 beats per minute. Heart rate after 1 minute of activity, 130 beats per minute. Heart rate after 1 minute of rest, recovery, 95 beats per minute. How to calculate recovery? Heart rate after exercise minus heart rate. After 1 minute rest, 130 minus 95 equals 35 beats per minute recovery. Result shows a recovery of more than 20 beats per minute is considered a good sign of heart fitness. In this example, the person's recovery was 35 beats per minute, which suggests their heart is handling activity efficiently. If recovery is less than 12 beats per minute, it may indicate poor recovery and could be a sign to improve fitness or check with a doctor. Over time, tracking this number can show you whether your fitness is improving. Factors like hydration, sleep, stress, and even caffeine can influence your heart rate recovery. That's why it can change from day to day. The key is not just one test, it's noticing trends. Do it once a week, write down your numbers, and see how they change over time. Small improvements mean your body is adapting. Again, this is not a medical test. It's simply a way to learn more about your body's response. If something feels unusual, always talk to a doctor. Even if you feel fine, your pulse holds patterns you might never notice until you start checking. Try the 1-minute test today. Write down your numbers and see how your heart responds. Have you ever tracked your recovery pulse before? Share your results in the comments and subscribe for more simple health tips.